Not
Hey guys,
registered.
welcome back to the channel where we discuss all things tech. So for today's video, it's more so like a personal journey documentation type of thing where I'm talking about what certs I'm getting for 2023. Well, at least in the immediate future, there might be more added on to, later. But what I'm studying now and in the immediate future as far as trying to better my position in the tech world. So currently I am studying Python and AWS since I am a DevOps engineer in a defense industry, but I'm looking to go strictly cloud for a non-government entity since they have a higher tech stack and then they have more flexibility with what you actually use. So the certifications I'm working on now are Python actually has a certification. I don't know, a lot of people don't know that. Also, C++ has one as well, but I'm studying for the Python certification and also the AWS Solutions Architect Associate exam. And you may be wondering, Python, why Python cert? So the purpose of me getting the Python certification is so that it teaches you the fundamentals, the fundamentals of Python. So I never worked with Python. I'm mainly a C#, C++, and Java person. So for me, learning the bare bones of the programming language is always important. Learning the structures, algorithms, and the core concepts make you become a better programmer. So, and going through this course, which I'm almost done, it goes into full detail on, hey, what is a loop, conditional statement, nested loops, what is a tuple, dictionary, all that type of stuff. So it's
SWB
very
audio
intuitive and
capture,
it's free.
not registered.
So I'll have a short video on what the certification is and the website you get it from. But in short, I'm studying for the PCEP, which is the entry-level Python cert, and also the Solutions Architect Associate exam. So the study guide I'm using for the Python cert is the actual website, pythoninstitute.org. I have a link in the bio. If you guys are interested in just kind of going through learning Python, it's completely free, not a sponsorship video. It's just a great resource to learn Python. And also Udemy. And for the AWS Solutions Architect Associate, I'm also using Udemy and getting practice tests. So I'm actually taking the PCEP tomorrow. So I'll let you guys know what happened with that. And as far as AWS, I'm probably taking that in probably sometime next month. So stay tuned to the video. Hope you guys have a good day. If you have any questions on what I do, I'm currently a DevOps engineer now. So if you have any questions or any video ideas on how to get into tech, highest paying jobs in tech, certifications, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate the love. Till next time, y'all be safe.